I'm here with Tomic, a familiar face and chair of Supply Chain Logistics Association, but also Master of Ceremonies here today at CMAT. How are you, Sue?
I'm really great. How are you, Lawrence? Good to see you again.
Fantastic, thank you. Look, CMAT's bigger and better this year. It's massive in your hometown here in Sydney. How have you found it?
Unbelievable. I mean, the future is right here. If you want to know what's going to happen and how companies are tackling things like labour shortages, space shortages, efficiency, it's all here. An absolutely brilliant conference. This is my first time at CMAT and I'm just blown away. I just don't know how I'm going to get around to all the stands and check out all the robotics.
I'm the same. Like 3 days is probably just enough time to get around. It's massive this year.
It is. And SCLAA is very proud and honoured to be chosen as the association of choice to support CMAT, and we're very proud and honoured to be here today.
Well, I know it's a great opportunity for people to really understand the latest changes, innovations, and also, as you say, speak to SCLAA and the team here. You've got your own booth that people can come and have a chat about all your great initiatives as well.
We do. Have to remind everyone that we are here. We're also running breakout sessions ourselves within CMAT, delving a little bit deeper into some of the themes like ESG and warehouse automation and robotics, as well as people, right? Yep. People are so important to the industry. No matter what's going on in the automation space, you can't do without people. So we've got a careers forum on the 27th of July, the day after tomorrow, and we'll be focusing all about careers, training, education, public speaking, your own personal brand, how to get ahead in the supply chain.
Love it. A great whole diverse range of engagement that SCLAA's offering right through the CMAT engagement.
Yes, and like I said, we're very pleased to be here, and I'm very excited to go check out all these wonderful robots and virtual reality machines.
Great. It's very Terminator-ish, isn't it, some of them? But no, always great to see you, Sue. Thanks for sharing a minute with us here on Import Export TV, and I'm sure we'll see another event very soon.
Thank you. Everybody, you've got to come to CMAT.
Absolutely. Cheers.